guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. As you can see by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I took down my crochet hair. So I do this method for all my crochet hairstyle, whether it's locks, twists, braids, any crochet hairstyle that you have, like the traditional crochet method, which is like a cornrow going to the back and then you just go ahead and crochet. So you can use this takedown method for that as well. And this can also be like a hair review, just because I've had this hair for a month now, and this is what his hair is looking like without any like hairspray or hair mousse for like a month. So basically, if you can take better care of your hair will definitely last longer and look better than mine. But I wasn't really taking care of my hair, especially this past few weeks, because I just moved down here and I've been so busy. I've been so wrapped up, like literally busy, tired, and I am just now getting some break. That's how I'm actually able to, make this video for you guys. So also I was gonna say something but I forgot. But yeah, also I do have a new collection on my Queen's Lounge website, and it's the rat tail comb. That is the comb that I use for to part all my clients' hair. For those that have been asking, you can go ahead and place your orders right now. And yeah, I also really fast shipping. And yeah, I think that'll be all for the introduction. And also I do have this hair link in my description box as well, and I also have the tutorial for this crochet hairstyle as well. If you want to try them, you can also try it. But yeah, I really like this hair, and I was going to keep it in for as long as I wanted to, I really wanted to. But I was just trying to self-advertise or self-promote, because I don't know anybody here in Texas, or I'm beginning to make connection or know people. But I just wanted to, wear some locks and then go out there with my card and then just do what I have to do. Because my friend actually came to see me a few days ago, and everywhere she went to, they'll ask her who did her locks, and she'll give them my information. So I felt like, okay, in that case, and let me just go and get myself some locks, and then I can just go out and promote myself for myself. I was going to do that initially before I moved down here, but I was so busy, because I was going to get my locks done like a week after I moved down here. But it's been like 2 weeks now, and I still have the same crochet hair. So I've been really busy, and I just felt like I need to just start something ASAP, because the month of February is already over, and that is like my break month. So this month I did not take any clients. I mean, I took one person because it was more of like a connection than actually a client. I was just trying to make a connection with her, because she's also like a beautician as well. So I just felt like I had to book her, and she asked me and stuff. So that was like my first clients here in Texas. So I'm just happy that she actually found me, because I didn't know if the hashtag was working and stuff. So, but yeah, I mean, everything is going okay so far, so good. I'm getting settled. I'm beginning to get my things together. So that's really good. So as you can see, I took this dress and I just went ahead and just cut through the curly hair. So the good thing about crochet takedown is that you don't really have to cut, like you don't really have to pay so much attention, just because your hair is already cornrowed. So like you would not really cut through your hair, if that makes sense. You just want to cut as low as possible, and then so that when you start pulling out, it's easier for you to pull out. And that is how I take down on my crochet hairstyle. And after that, you're just gonna pull, and then take down your braids. Now as you take down your braids, one tip is just for you to take down one and then comb it through, and then just twist it if you can, or if you're able to just twist it, just so that when it's time for you to comb all your hair, it's not like falling out so much, and it's not like very tangly. Well, I think that'll be all for now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I do have a link to everything that I just mentioned in this video. I do have a link in my description box. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
eres tú.